Oh, he's fine. Oh, okay. No, that doesn't mean anything. Where is that? I just walked in through my back gate and Shane was making a like a noise. Until he realized it was me. I'm like, dude. You're just gonna set him down or get excited about constant okay. You're just interested. Giving her a little lecture. There. She's big, but she's nice. There. Now that's very nice. She's being more cautious. Well, she got good warning. Good boy. Perfect. She's really nice. That's it.
That's it.